Today I'm going to show you how to create a Google Forms desktop shortcut. This is incredibly useful if you're working with a specific form regularly and want quick access without having to navigate through your browser each time. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. Enter your email address and password to access your Google Forms dashboard. This is where all your forms are stored and managed. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Google Forms dashboard. Here, navigate to the section labeled Recent Forms. This section displays all the forms you've been working on lately, making it easy to find the one you need. Go ahead and click on the form you want to create a desktop shortcut for. This will open the form in a new window or tab, depending on your browser settings. Now, this next step is where the magic happens. Look at the upper left corner of your browser window near the address bar. You'll see a small icon or button that represents the site's security information, often displayed as a padlock or an information symbol. This is called the View This Site Information button. Click and hold this button, then drag it directly to your desktop. As you drag, you'll notice your cursor changes, indicating that you're moving something. Once you reach your desktop, release the mouse button. This action creates a shortcut to your Google form right on your desktop. At this point, you'll see the shortcut appear on your desktop, but it might have a generic or long name that's not very user-friendly. To make it easier to identify, you can rename it. Simply right-click on the newly created shortcut. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Rename. This will highlight the current name, allowing you to type over it. Go ahead and type your preferred name for the shortcut, something that clearly identifies the form so you can find it quickly in the future. Press Enter to save the new name. And there you have it. You've successfully created a desktop shortcut to your Google form. Now, whenever you need to access this form, you can simply double-click the shortcut on your desktop instead of navigating through your browser and Google Forms dashboard. This saves time and streamlines your workflow, especially if you're managing multiple forms or need frequent access to one particular form. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.